What's up, everyone? It's your fellow singing engineer, Roy Moy III, and I'm here with RJ. Say what's up.
What's up?
And this is STEM Music and Friends.
STEM Music and Friends. We're gonna learn about STEM. Again and again. We're gonna learn about STEM. STEM Music and Friends. We're gonna learn about STEM. Again and again. We're gonna learn about STEM.
We are here to do a whole bunch of experiments for you, but also for us just to have a good time. But safety is first. So we have our gloves on. Show them your gloves. And we have, what are these?
Glasses.
Our safety glasses. So we're going to put our safety glasses on, make sure that we're safe. So the first thing that we're going to do is an experiment called elephant toothpaste. I'm going to pour some of this hydrogen peroxide in this bottle. Then we're going to use some, what is this?
Dish soap.
Dish soap. And we're going to use some yeast. We got some food coloring and some warm water in here that we're going to use to mix with the yeast in this cup. So those are all the supplies that we're going to use. So first, let's start off with this hydrogen peroxide. So I'm just going to pour it maybe a little under halfway. And then after we get done pouring this a little under halfway, I think that should be good right there. Then you're going to pop that open and go ahead and squeeze some in there. And this is just to your discretion. You're doing a great job. All right, that should be good. Okay, so go ahead and cap that on. I know, right? And that's actually my favorite kind of Gatorade, the color that this has. So I want you to take this and just go like that. Very lightly, gently swish that around. Yeah, keep going, keep going. You can go a little harder, a little harder. Perfect. So what we're doing is we're just kind of mixing everything all together. Now, go ahead and pick out the two colors you wanted to use for your food coloring.
I want red.
Red.
And blue.
Blue. Awesome. So go ahead and take the cap off of the blue and then just do like 2 or 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do red and then 3 in there. All right.
They accidentally did a little.
That's all good. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we need to put some of this yeast, everyone, into this cup, and then we also want to use this warm water. So go ahead and swish that while I put some yeast in here. Ooh, it changed the color. What is it now?
Purple.
Purple. That's that mixture of those primary colors.
Yeah, I like the primary colors.
So this can be at your discretion as well. You could do a tablespoon of it, but I'm just pouring it in. We can use maybe a little bit more. Okay. And then for our water, I'm gonna pour some of this warm water in here, and then you have your spoon. So you might want to use a spoon, you could use a fork, just anything that's gonna be able to stir up your yeast in warm water. All right, go ahead and stir that up for us. Stir up the get up. Doesn't it smell funny? It smells a little funny.
It smells like rice when it's not even cooked.
So can you tell us what's happening as you're stirring that?
It's like turning into a gingerbread brown color.
Ah, I like that. I like that. Gingerbread brown color. And if you notice the yeast, those little particles that you saw me pouring in there, they're kind of dissolving into this warm water mixture. Yeah? Awesome, awesome, awesome. So I think we have enough that we had in there. Let me take a peek at it. Let me see what it looks like. That looks good. It's almost like like you said, gingerbread brown color, maybe some coffee with creamer in here. That's kind of what it looks like. So from here, we're gonna pour this in here, but I need you to give me a countdown and then we're gonna see what happens. So go ahead and count us down from 5.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Here we go. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Whoa! And look at how foamy that is. That's so cool.
It looks like slime with a little bit of foam in there.
Yes. So this is our elephant. This actually looks better than what it did the other. Oh, I love it. That's awesome.
It just looks like a fish blowing out water.
It does. And here we have elephant toothpaste. Because doesn't it kind of look toothpastey like when you brush your teeth?
Okay, I think it's about to overflow.
You think it's going to overflow? It's still going. It's still going. You have the magic touch. It was your mixture that caused this to happen. This is so much better than when I did it.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, feel free. It's all like foamy and soapy. This is so cool. Let's show the audience the other side that's got this little funnel piece that's kind of overflowing. This looks like a volcano. It is rising higher.
It's like a purplish, whitish, but with a lot more white.
It kind of does. That's really cool. So anyway, this is how you can make your elephant toothpaste at home. It's really, really fun thing that you can do with a friend, with a couple of friends. You can always do it with your STEMusic friends. So, elephant toothpaste. Anything you want to leave the audience with?
Sure.
Go ahead and tell them.
If it overflows, now just ask the grown-up.
Just ask the grown-up. If it overflows, just ask the grown-up. That's awesome. Good job, RJ. The next experiment we're going to do with RJ, tell him, hey.
Hi.
We're gonna do a lava lamp. This one is really fun, simple. You can do it at home. All you need is some vegetable oil. You need some, what is this?
Water.
Water, and you need some Alka-Seltzer tablets, okay?
Sometimes a little food coloring.
And food coloring. RJ always has the food coloring. So he picked some new colors from the last experiment we did, and we're gonna have some fun. So, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna pour this vegetable oil in here. 3/4 of the way full is what you're kind of aiming for. I might do a little less just to leave some more space at the top when we're done. But you just pour this vegetable oil in here like this. Everybody can see that. And you just keep pouring 3/4 of the way full. So we might use the whole bottle.
Well, we're gonna just fill it.
So it's halfway there, and I think we will stop there. All right. So about that much full, and then I'm gonna pour the water in here, and then after the water, then you can add the droplets of your food coloring. So we're gonna pour the water the rest of the way. I'm gonna stop a little short of the top just so that we have space for the reaction from the Alka-Seltzer tablets.
Well,
So I'll probably stop right there is good. You see it already reacting? Like, how cool is that? Look at the bubbly looking, this is like, the vegetable oil and water mixing together is not really
but it's not, it's
mixing.
gonna
Okay,
turn more yellow.
so let's do your food color. You're picking yellow, you said?
Yeah.
So you got some drops of yellow. Ooh, look at how it drops down there. I love that. Awesome. Okay, now let's do some drops of, what other color do you have?
Green.
And then let's do some green. You're getting real good at taking those tops off now. Ooh, there's a yellow and a green going down together. That's cool. Kind of looks red in this solution. All right, okay, let's top that off.
It looks like it's just like angels just floating down into the water and then landing in some bubbles.
Yes.
And take them out.
That is a perfect description. Angels floating down. I like that. Okay, so you get to do the fun part. And the fun part is going to be dropping the Alka-Seltzer tablets inside. So you go ahead and give us a countdown.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, drop the other one in. Drop the other one in. Go ahead and drop them in.
3, 2, 1.
Because we might have to put the top on because of the reaction.
3, 2, 1. Okay, yep. We're enough.
You can see that it is beginning to react with the Alka-Seltzer. Nice.
Oh, it kind of looks like a lava.
And as you can see on the bottom, now the color that it got access to, so it's starting to change. Oh, that is awesome. Whoa! That's so cool. That's so cool.
This will look great.
And yeah, it's gonna look amazing in your room. Isn't this really cool?
Yeah.
I just like watching stuff like this. Like, you have your lava lamp, and so we can put our top on, and which is just watch it react. And the colors are like continuing to like burst at the bottom.
I can't see the red.
Yeah, that because it kind of like dominated it. With the darker colors dominated it in here. So do you want to do something fun and just turn it upside down and see what happens? Oh, look at that. So that darker color of the green kind of just dominated the entire color palette. I can still see little things of
I see red.
red.
That's all. And little pellets of green still.
How about this? I think we should put some more Alka-Seltzer in here and make it go a little bit more crazy. Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up. So once I open this up, okay, go ahead and drop some of those in there. I like that strategy too. Come on, strategy. So then you just have your reaction. Now it's really going crazy at the top. That's why we left enough space in there. So this is a fun in-home activity you can do with simple stuff. Vegetable oil, water. Here, let's put the top on so it doesn't spurt out. And this is yours. This is RJ's lava lamp. Look at that.
My first lava lamp.
So we're gonna do 2 more experiments and then we will be done. But I'm glad y'all have tuned into this STEMusic and Friends episode with RJ.
Thank you.
All right, the next experiment we're gonna do is gonna be with some baking soda.
And empty bottle.
And some vinegar. What is this?
Table? Oh, balloon.
A balloon. So
I
we're
thought
gonna
you
use.
were pointing at that.
Oh,
I
the
was
funnel.
like,
Yeah. So you can use a funnel and a balloon. So first, I'm gonna pour this vinegar into this bottle. Then RJ is gonna put some of his food coloring in to get the color. So as much as this looks like water, ooh, give it a whiff.
It smells like glue.
It's not the best smelling stuff, but it is vinegar.
I think it kind of smells good.
You do? It's a
It
little
smells
like
like
sour smelling to me.
Ooh.
So I poured that much in there, probably not more than that. Go ahead and drop your droplets
Oh,
of
yeah, I forgot.
your food coloring. So you decided to go with yellow.
Got the yellow everywhere.
All right, we're good. So same thing you did on the last experiment. Go ahead and whisk that around while I pour some of this baking soda into this funnel, into the balloon, okay? So go ahead and swish that around like you did. There you go. I think that should be enough. Try to do this over here when I pull it out.
It kind of looks, it's an orange color.
So it's like an orange Gatorade kind of look. It reminds me of Kool-Aid actually. So I'm gonna take this off of here. I am gonna dump a little bit out because I think there's a lot in there. So I'm just, you know, you can always do at your discretion whatever you want to do.
Just one
Just
more drop.
dumping them in there. Feel free, go ahead.
Okay.
Okay, I think that's enough. So I'm gonna put this on here and then you're gonna do the honors, okay? You're gonna get to flip all of the baking soda into this
Well, like
bottle.
what we did,
What we've done, we got vinegar in here, we got some
Gatorade.
some orange Gatorade food coloring, and then we got baking soda in this balloon, and it's a fasten on top of this bottle. So you're gonna take this, you're gonna pinch that, and lift it up just like that, okay? So give us a countdown, and you show the people. STEMusic Nation.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go. Whoa! Isn't that so cool?
It looks kind of like a lava lamp, but if
A
you
little
had-
bit.
I would love to pop that right now.
If we had a needle or something, maybe, yeah.
Well, we have knives.
We have knives. You ready to pop the balloon? So let's explain to STEMusic Nation out there what happened in here. So what did we use?
We use
Vinegar
vinegar,
and
baking soda.
And so together with that, it's a chemical reaction that's occurring, and it causes a formation of carbon dioxide. Now let's tell them how can we create carbon dioxide, like us as humans, if we do what? Breathe out. So let's show them how to breathe out. Everybody take a breath in and breathe out. You just breathed out carbon dioxide. And so that's what we did here in this experiment. When the baking soda and vinegar came together, they produced carbon dioxide, which did what to this balloon?
Blow it up.
Okay, now turn into a boxer and give this a little punch. So show us what you got.
I am a boxer.
Oh! So you can do something like do 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 do.
Bah! Bah! Bah!
I love it. All right, let's jump into the last experiment that we're gonna do outside. It's gonna be really fun with some Coke and Mentos. We'll see you on the other side. All right, y'all, we're here with the last experiment, STEMusic and Friends. I'm the singing engineer, Roy, and this is RJ. Say hey, RJ.
Hi.
And we're gonna do the Coke and
Mentos
experiment. So give us a countdown.
3, 2, 1.
Go! Oh! That was cool! All right, y'all, so we got one more bottle of Diet Coke that we wanted to try, and RJ wanted to try how many Mentos?
3.
3 Mentos, so he's got to try and get them in there really fast because it's going to come spurting out. So when we do this, we're going to do a countdown, and then we're going to jump back. So here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, move your head. Oh! How cool is that?
I want to touch it.
Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. How does it feel? Fuzzy? A little fuzzy? So that is our Coke and Mentos experiment that we were able to do. Basically, getting to see these Mentos candies break up some bonds between carbon dioxide dissolved gases in these Cokes. And those carbon dioxide dissolved gases are bonding with water. And the Mentos helps break that bond apart, and that's what we see, this eruption happening. So, did you have a good time today, RJ? What do you want to tell the people about science, about experiments, about anything relating to STEM music?
STEM music, you can sign up for it anywhere in the world.
Come on, anywhere in the world at the website, www.thestemusic.com. Thank you so much for being my guest today, RJ. I can't wait to have you back. You did great. Peace. Okay. Oh, okay. There we go. Perfect. I got your glove. In 5. Whoop, 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 no stop. Hey.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Oh, Jesus.
RJ, what happened?
STEMusic and Friends, we're gonna learn about STEM. Again and again, we're gonna learn about STEM. STEMusic and Friends, we're gonna learn about STEM. Again and again, we're gonna learn about STEM.